Good morning, print fam. This morning I've been just doing computer stuff again. I got approval for some aluminum prints, so I am sending those off right now. And I am next working on some banners that I will also be outsourcing. Once the banners have been set to go, then I need to work on some postcards. The artwork was provided, I just have to make sure that it is correct, and then we'll get those printed on the Konica. Again, the nice thing about those is 4x6. Running them on the 13x19 will be great. So other than that, I don't think there's anything specific due today, but I'm going to try to get just a bunch of little projects wrapped up so that we can try to start next week on a high note, because it is Friday. So it's 11:30 right now. The Duplo tech is supposed to be here sometime this afternoon, 1 to 2 o'clock. So we'll see how that goes. All right, print fam, so there was a slight change of plans. I got a rush order to make these poster prints, but they wanted them to be self-standing, and I couldn't find any folding easels around. I'll link some down in the description if you want to buy some to have some on hand, or I'll see if I can make this template available on my website. But basically, it allows you to stand this up without needing a true easel. So let me show you. So you can take this and fold it out. It's literally just a piece of my same cardstock so that it folds flat, yet it can stand up. So pretty nifty. All right, print fam, we've got some vinyl going on the HP Latex. The Duplo tech is in the other room. He thinks it maybe is something to do with the lower slitters or rollers. He's oiling up the whole machine and taking the whole thing apart and seeing if he can figure out what's going on, but he's kind of unsure. So we'll let this print, and this is a good little job. I was able to do 200 postcards with 25 sheets of 13x19, so half the clicks. Love that, thank you. And then we'll get these stickers done, and we'll be able to deliver this 2 weeks ahead of time because that's how slow I am. All right, print fam, got a few things done at the office. Had to run to the bank to put some money in our account so that we could pay our mortgage. Still haven't technically paid myself because I'm just taking money from my little savings. So hopefully soon we'll be able to take some money out of the business to actually pay me. Got Bob paid today, and it was super funny because I literally hit pay, and then like 2 seconds later one of our customers paid, which would have upped his commission more because he gets paid as soon as the customer pays, and it was just a little too late. So, but I'm kind of on a schedule right now where I pay the commissions out every Friday, which seems to be working. Bob's happy with it, and it works out well. So hopefully we can make some progress and get some more money in the account so I can actually make some money too. So a couple more things I think I need to do tonight. I gotta send in that outsourced banner order and check a few things. Bob's got some 5x5 postcards that are due Monday, and we need to do a test print. I'm just going to do it on some paper so that he can check. It's going on a car wash where they have the little dial to set the nozzles, so we want to check placement before we print the vinyl sticker to go on it. We're going to print just a piece of paper first to see if it works placement wise, and then we'll get the rest printed. He's going to install those Monday pending placement. So. All right, print fam, it's 6 o'clock. Time to call it a night. Currently uploading the banners to my outsourced supplier, and I'm a little worried about the timing. They're estimated to be here on the 11th, and the people need them for sure on the 13th, but they would like them sooner because they're for a play, and the play starts the 13th, but they have rehearsals and stuff beforehand that they would like them for. So I'm overnighting the shipping so they'll get here sooner, but it's still not as quick as I need them to be. So I'm getting on their live chat to see if there's something we can do about it. But I'm calling it a night. I did not meet my goal today. Frankly, I haven't met it the last few days, but all is well. Yeah, I think that's about it. I do have a few things that I might end up working on tomorrow, depending on the permissions or approvals from Bob on his things. So, got a phone call, got interrupted again. But thank you for watching. Thanks for being here. If you have any questions about what I do, why I do it, how I do it, leave that in the description. Thank you for watching. If you want to support the channel, you can do so by hitting that thumbs up button, the like button, same thing. Whoops. I'm just gonna stop talking. Thanks, Cameron, for editing the videos, and we'll see you next time, fam. See ya!